guys, so this is how linear search works in pseudocode. So basically, what it's doing is that you're searching for a target, right? Say your target is 12, and you're searching an array. So let's say A for array, and then, array, that's collection. The curly brackets is collection. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't need to be sorted, by the way. I'm just kind of lazy. 6, 7. Anyways, 10, 31, 32, and 12. So that's our array. So what are you going to do? Oh, you also need to establish a flag. Say our flag is found. Yeah. So let's, what you're basically going to do is that you're going to loop in order. So how you're going to do this is that you're going to use a for loop. So loop I from 0 to a dot length minus 1. What that's going to do is it's going to loop from the first index to the last index. And what you're going to say is that you're going to set a condition. So if a and the index is equal to the target, the established target, which is 12, then you're going to say that you're going to output target found. And if you want to be super fancy, just add I to show the value. Or no, the index. No, you also need to change the flag as well. Found is equal to true. And if end if and loop. If found is equal to false, then output target not found. And that's basically how linear search works. So the special case is that you have to assume that the array is already sorted from ascending order. I'm going to make a note of that right here. That's binary search. This is so that the algorithm doesn't try to sort the last value. Dude, I'm so itchy. So tired. Can't do this anymore. This one. gonna swap. I'm not sure if you can do this. It's all false. Oh my god, I forgot indentation. I'm cooked. This is so hard to follow. My bad. My bad, guys. Dude, what the sigma? Right now, but I forgot to do selection, sort, something, so I wrote it down on the paper and I'm gonna paste it in. So, we have an array, which is, it's called A, this one. Now we're gonna define an element called N, which is the length of array. Oops, what the hell? We're back on track. So, we're gonna loop through I. This is going to, like, find the minimum index. So, loop I from 0 to n minus 2. And then we're going to set the minimum index to min index. That's the variable right there. To I. This is the first I variable, right? And then we're also going to use a second loop. So this loop, so for every I variable, it's going to search the array again. And this is from this j. So loop j from I plus 1 to n minus 1. And it's going to make a condition statement if a is aj is greater than a min index. I have to do this fast. Business next. Then min index is equal to j. And if end loop. So now we're gonna make the swap variable. So temp is equal to ai, and then we're gonna say that ai is equal to a min index. And we're gonna swap it through this. So a min index is equal to temp. That's how we're gonna swap it. We're gonna get end loop right here. And then we're gonna print a, which is the sorted array. Yeah, that's how you do sort selection algorithm. Thank you.